Let's put the foil right here so we can grab the sauce later. Right there. Next, I'm going to cut the steak. Okay. This from the freezer. Later I'm going to use this one. And we're just gonna put it right here. There. Oops, there you go. This. Air fry and start air fry and then for 25 and 20 minutes. Start. Now we are going to look at that. Now we are going to put the seasoning. Put it there. Now I am going to flip it over so we can put some seasonings on the side. A little bit heavy. Wait. So this is what it is now. Yum.